Hi everyone, this is Jameela Adams, website design and marketing consultant and founder of Jameela Adams at your service. And today I'm going to teach you how to create a blog post on your WordPress site. It's pretty simple. As you can see, we are in our dashboard, and what we're going to do is go down to our menu where it says post. And as you can see, it has all posts, add new posts, categories, and tags. So what we're going to do is just add a new post. We'll talk about categories and tags in our next video. So right now we're going to add a title. And then we're going to add our text. And what else we're going to do is add a featured image and then set it. Give it a category, which is life, and tag. And here, as you can see, there's an excerpt. It's optional, but say if you want to give an idea of what the post is going to be about, you can take the first couple of lines of your post and put it in the excerpt. Then you can have your allow comments and allow pingbacks. So what we're going to do is go ahead and publish. Oh, before we do that, you can see it's when we publish, it will be visible to the public. And if we click publish now, it'll be immediate. However, we can schedule it to come up at another time. Say if you're having a campaign and you would like to talk about your products and services, you can create your blog post and then have them scheduled when the product and services are rolled out. But as of right now, we're just going to do it immediately. And then we're going to hit publish. And now we're going to view the post. So here's our image. There's the title. There is the author, the date it was published, and where you can leave a comment. And also, if we go to our home page, there's our latest articles, which is considered our blog. And if you go to the actual blog page, those are our blogs that we post. So if you have any questions about the services I provide, go ahead and leave a comment below. You can always visit my website, JameelaAdamsAtYourService.com, and leave a comment there. And also, if you have any questions, you can always book a consultation. It's free. And don't forget, you can also follow me on the socials, Jameela Adams at your service. I look forward to hearing from you and have a great day.